Hi there, and welcome to Crypto's Genie. We have a brand new topic for you today. There is a fresh wave of excitement among the crypto community. So far, crypto coins, blockchain, and NFTs have existed in the virtual space. Could they make the leap to the real, physical world? Enter Satoshi Island. This could be the start of a new evolution in the crypto space, maybe even a new revolution, the ultimate meeting point between the virtual and the real. Today, we're going to talk about Satoshi Island and its immense, exciting possibilities. The new token offering from Tenset could kickstart a new golden age for crypto. The volatility of the crypto market suggests that a positive spike for the Satoshi Island and their NFT could happen. Make sure you stick around till the end of this video as we bring you the latest on Satoshi Island. If you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on new updates in the world of crypto investing. There is an island, roughly 32 million square foot wide, located between Australia and Fiji. At first glance, the island in Vanuatu looks like a lush, tropical piece of paradise. Look closer, and you will find an exciting, bold new project taking shape. The island's goal is to become the crypto capital of the world. The website for Satoshi Island explains that the land is being transformed into a haven for cryptocurrency and blockchain advocates. Reports in the past show that farmland was being sold in Vanuatu for Bitcoin, BTC, over 6 years ago in 2016. The nation of Island's government is well known for being crypto-friendly. Satoshi Island is also selling land in Vanuatu. The region aims to develop into a real-world crypto economy and blockchain-based democracy. This could have a positive price impact on the Satoshi Island NFT, which could become the next 50x token. Planning and development of Satoshi Island is being provided by the architectural firm James Law Cybertecture. Satoshi Island architects are leveraging a modular development that the website calls Sustainable Smart Building. Modular living units can be positioned any way the owner wants, and they can be combined as well. When they arrive and are placed into position, island residents can officially move in. Satoshi Island Holdings explained that the team chose the nation of Vanuatu because the government supports innovation and has crypto-friendly laws. Satoshi Island will be built with sustainability in mind, as the island's power systems will utilize renewable energy methods. This brings us to the most exciting news surrounding the island and its NFT. All ownership of assets on the island will be represented with non-fungible tokens, NFTs, powered by blockchain. In simple terms, you can purchase a home on the island in the form of an NFT. The token can then be used for personal use or can be traded and sold like any other NFT. This marks a first. Never before has a digital token been linked to a physical asset. With modular homes currently under construction, Satoshi Island plans to open its doors to the world starting in 2023, which is just next year. There's already been a lot of interest in the crypto-focused island. Reports disclose that 50,000 people have already applied for residency. The application, too, is in the form of Visa NFTs. What's more, in a recent interview with Cointelegraph, the team behind Satoshi Island said that the crypto paradise will be a true crypto economy, where everything can be paid for and bought in crypto. Satoshi Island is taking the next step in the evolution of NFTs by introducing a way to turn digital ownership into physical. Anyone can own a piece of the island by acquiring Satoshi Island land NFTs that can be bought and sold easily, without any of the complications associated with the transfer of traditional real estate. So, what does it mean to be an NFT citizen on Satoshi Island? Those who become NFT citizens will enjoy an earlier private opening set for the fourth quarter of 2022. NFT citizens also get the right to vote on the policies that govern the island. Each wallet can only hold one citizenship, and that NFT will count as one vote. And NFT mints and airdrops are another perk given to such citizens. Addresses that hold a citizenship NFT are automatically whitelisted for early access to all Satoshi Island NFT mints and airdrops. The company explains, there is, however, one important detail to remember. Anybody can apply for Satoshi Island NFT citizenship today, but that is not to be confused with the term citizenship as understood generally. Citizenships NFTs, in this context, do not represent or by themselves grant immigration authorization to the island. This involves a separate governmental visa process. The island website explicitly states, Satoshi Island citizenship NFTs have no relation to citizenship of Vanuatu. and the company tweeted a clarification reinforcing the fact. The Republic of Vanuatu does offer a separate citizenship application process. This occurs via the investment route that costs at least $130,000 for a single applicant. Satoshi Island will not be an exclusive residential enclave. The firm is also interested in startups and established companies setting up shop on the island. Companies of all sizes are welcome, and we have dedicated co-working space to suit startups, all the way up to entire campuses, where large projects can build satellite offices, company retreats, or even permanent headquarters. The website details. A question you may have now is whether the island's NFTs is of real value or just plain hype. The answer lies in Tenset, the crypto platform that has partnered with Satoshi Island. Tenset is a blockchain project that acts as a bridge between the traditional financial market and cryptocurrencies. The platform speeds up the adoption of blockchain and crypto. They are seeking to provide blockchain benefits to traditional companies like Visa and Oracle. What's exciting about Tenset is that their 4 previous launches have all hit the big time. One of their recent offerings, MetaHero, hit an all-time high, ATH, of 16,800% since its launch. Tenset's partnership with Satoshi Island ensures to not only secure the business in terms of money, but will also be obligated to build on their spots on the island. This will ensure that all pre-sale and public buyers will be able to use the tokens and lands they purchase not only as a virtual NFT and token, but also as a tangible asset and currency on their real-world island and start the building process. This could have a positive price impact on Satoshi Island, which has the potential to become the next 50x token. There is another piece of news that potentially predicts the island NFT as a 50x token. On March 25, 2022, Cointelegraph's Joseph Hall reported that the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission has officially approved the Satoshi Island Residential Community Project. Hall writes that Bob Loughman, the Prime Minister of Vanuatu, has officially given the green light to Satoshi Island. In the report written by Hall published on Friday, the owners of Satoshi Island are also quoted as saying, "With this full endorsement from the Prime Minister of Vanuatu in hand, we can show everyone that Satoshi Island is as real as it gets." And the kind words of the PM inviting our community to their home could not be a warmer welcome. It's not every day that a country's leader endorses a cryptocurrency project. The Prime Minister of Vanuatu, the Honorable Bob Loughman, has officially given the green light to Satoshi Island. The official letter states that the government of Vanuatu welcomes the Satoshi Island project and its community to our country, while highlighting that Vanuatu is looking for new ways to attract investment and people to our country. The COVID-19 pandemic severely affected the tourism sector, a mainstay of the Vanuatu economy. According to World Bank data, visitor numbers to the paradise-like archipelago, 2,000 kilometers from Brisbane, dropped from 300,000 to 80,000 in 2020. The team at Satoshi Island had previously told Cointelegraph that the lack of tourism was one of the main points they wished to alleviate with their project. Satoshi Island is a space in which crypto enthusiasts plan to reside, not visit. Community members will be living in sustainably built homes in a community organized by decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, where ownership is represented by NFTs. Starting at $60,000, the homes will go on sale in the second quarter of 2022. The Satoshi Island website says, with plans for modules to arrive the following quarter to accommodate short-stay visitors, the borders will be open to holders of citizenship NFTs for short-term stays the quarter after that. The beginning of 2023 is when permanent moves will be allowed. Satoshi Island will become the official home for cryptocurrency professionals and enthusiasts worldwide, a place to visit, work, and live in the first true society built around an entirely decentralized financial system and blockchain-based democracy. The Satoshi Island NFT has received official authorization from legal entities. At Cryptos Genie, we strongly believe this would be a next potential 50x token from Tenset Gem launch platform, and probably a new dawn for the crypto world. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you're still here, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Please do not forget checking out our website and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description. Thank you for watching.